Well, good afternoon, all. We just finished touring the devastation here in Enid, and I just want to say it's unbelievable what we've seen. I know when we arrived at the airport a little bit earlier today, we saw the devastation out there. It's just unbelievable. Um, Got FEMA Administrator Delgado with me today. During the flight down from D.C. this morning, Marcus and I talked about the plans for relief efforts and to ensure everybody here in Enid that you will be getting disaster relief. That is coming. And as always, we will not be leaving you. We will leave you when this town is uh, returned to the way it was before that tragic tornado. So just again, our thoughts and prayers go out to everybody here. We know it's very devastating, and we are behind you 100% for a complete full recovery. Thank you guys. Thanks.